In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FlexClip Video Maker. Whether you're creating a quick social post or a polished tutorial, FlexClip is a simple browser-based editor that helps you produce great videos fast. Start by heading to the FlexClip website. Right away, you can choose to start with a template or create from scratch. If you're just exploring, good news, you can look around and test features without signing up. This is a great way to get comfortable with the editor and see how the timeline, preview canvas, and media tools work before committing to a project. I recommend beginning with a template because it speeds everything up. Browse the library and you'll find categories for YouTube videos, ads, slideshows, and tutorials. Templates come with pre-built scenes, text styles, and transitions that give you a solid structure from the start. Preview a few, pick the one that matches your tone and aspect ratio, and you're ready to customize. Next, add your media. You can upload your own videos and photos from your computer or pull from the built-in stock library if you're missing a shot. The stock options are handy for filler clips, backgrounds, or B-roll that ties your story together. Aim for clear, well-lit visuals and keep file names organized so you can find everything quickly. Now edit your video using the drag and drop tools. Trim and cut clips to tighten pacing, add text and titles to highlight key points, and insert transitions or effects to smooth scene changes. You can bring in music or record a voiceover right in the editor. Balance your audio so the music supports your message without overpowering the narration. Use the preview to check timing and flow as you go. If you want to move even faster, try the AI features. You can turn text into a video outline and scenes, auto-generate subtitles for accessibility, add an AI voiceover, and even translate your video into multiple languages. Treat AI outputs as a first draft. Review captions for accuracy and adjust the script or visuals where needed. Then, refine the design. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or theme. Add overlays, subtle animations, and your logo to give the project a professional finish. Consistency is key here. Keep styles uniform across scenes for a cohesive look. When you're happy, export your video. Click Export. Choose your quality. 480p is available for free, while 720p and 1080p are paid options. Then download or share directly online. Give it a quick final preview to catch any last tweaks, and you're done. Happy creating!